going on, guys? Chaser here, and today I have for you a tutorial on how to make a normal Minecraft server. Links in the description for other Minecraft servers that you can make, such as Tekkit, FTB, or Sky Factory, such as that, and Forge, the recent Forge. For some reason I can't figure out how to do the older Forge, but let's get right into this. So first of all, you want to go to Minecraft.net, and once you're at the home, you would want to log in first of all, because if you're not logged in, I don't think you can download the server. No, wait, check that. You can download the server, but unless you have a full account, you cannot go into your server. Don't check me on that if I'm not. So anyway, first of all, if you have a Windows, you would want to click on this Minecraft server 1.8.3.exe. And if you have a Mac, you would want to click on this Minecraft_server.1.8.3.jar. This 1.8.3 means the current version, and this .exe means Windows. This means any other thing such as Linux or Mac. Now, since I've already downloaded it, I do not need to download it again. So, on your desktop, you would want to create a new folder and name it whatever you want. You can name it Minecraft server, which I'm going to do in my case, and name the version, yeah. Anyway, and then put your Minecraft server in there. Then, what you would want to do is, if you had a messed up thing, like in here, I will show you in a minute, but if you have a Mac, you see it says it right down here what you're supposed to put in there, but I will show you what it says. So if this does not help you at all, you would want to, here, wait, not that, no, stop. If this entire thing right here does not help you at all, you would want to search up how to make a Minecraft server in Google search or Bing, it does not matter which, and go to, it should say Minecraft Gamepedia or Minecraft Wiki, and it should say tutorial/setting up a server. Now you scroll down to setting up a Minecraft server. So right here is the this is what you would want to paste into the Nogi, which I will show you in a minute. If you had a Mac or Linux, I think Linux, yeah, just a Mac. That's what you want to do for a Mac. And so let's double click on our server right here. And a box will pop up. Actually, let me show you. So right in here, something like that, and you saw that little flash of thing here. So what you would want to do is go to here. Now, this is the EULA, which is so let me copy and paste this stop it. Okay, right there. Let me copy that and paste it into my search engine. Paste. So right in here is a Minecraft End User License Agreement, or EULA. So it says all of the account terms or terms of use, EULA, and it says the rules of what you're supposed to do about using the server, such as anything as a server, like you can't give copies of this game to anyone else, make commercial use of anything we've made, try to make money from anything we've made, or let other people get access to anything we've made in a way that is unfair or reasonable. Sorry guys, I cannot talk today, but yes. So that is the EULA. Go check that out if you want to. It is right here. So what you would want to do to make your server work properly is read the EULA if you want to, or you can just do the EULA equals true. Then file, save. Save. I said save. Yes, okay, it's saved. Anyway, and then you would want to start up your Minecraft server. And here it is. Here is your Minecraft server. Now what it's going to do is it's going to add in a whole bunch of other things in this. Band IPs.json, JSON, band players JSON, OPs JSON, server, user catchy JSON, whitelist JSON, I don't know, world, and logs. So what you want to do for that is you want to open up your Minecraft, which is by chance right here. So let me open up my Minecraft, if it'll work. Yes. So now what you would want to do is you'd want to make sure your version is set correctly to 1.8.3, and as it starts up, I shall show you what to do next. Okay, we are back in the Minecraft launcher. So, yes, allow. I always want that. Okay. Anyway, so right here, is this mine? Please don't tell me that's mine. Yeah. Yes. Okay, let's delete that. So here we are in your multiplayer. You would want, if you wanted to just have you on there, you would type in local host. And this basically what it's telling you to do is it's telling it to search your computer or your local network that you are connected to, like your router. Like basically the internet in your house is what the server will be projected on only. And now there needs to be a few things for your friends to get on from different houses, such as port forwarding, which I will have a video on that using my router only. So here we are. We shall go to our server, and right here it should say in players, at least it should. Whoa. Oh yeah, right here. It says our name. And then in here you start out in survival, and this is basically normal survival. Unless you want to get into the fun command aspect of it. So what you'd normally do if you wanted to get game mode is you'd exit out of this, go to, not that, go to your Minecraft server and press and do OP and your Minecraft username or your friends. Can I spell it right? Thank you. And it says server op chaser mtn skier. So now what you can do is you can do /game mode C. And now you're in game mode C. But so let me de-op myself. So if I did this again, I don't have permission to use that. So you can use that to do such commands. Let me just op myself for the reasons of this video. Now, some other commands that you can do with this is you can do /kick, which will kick a player and like basically give them a warning instead of a ban. So now you can also do /ban, which I think you can do. I think if you get certain plugins, you can do /temp ban or something, or ban chase. Let's just do an example. Ban chaser, or let's do /kick. /kick chaser mtnskier, and it kicks me. Let's go back in real quick. And let's try ban reason for hacking. Don't do it again. And then it will show instead of the kick by operator, it'll say don't hacking, don't do it again. So it'll basically give them a warning if you see a hacking person. If you don't want to ban them because they're like the only person on your server. So yes, now I shall get into the aspects of thingamajigger's server thingy. So right here you have your server. This is basically all the stuff you can do with your server. That is basically console but not console. So max tick time, don't really know what that is. Spawn protection basically means that where you spawn, there's a 16 block radius in all directions around you that cannot be broken. So it's basically like a world guard in a 16 block radius, just Minecraft. Yeah. So force game mode basically means that you don't spawn in, like if you want to force a certain game mode, like survival or creative, you change that to true, but I'm going to keep it false for now. Allow nether. If you don't want the nether to keep your server from lagging a ton, you would change that to false, or if you just don't want to have extra world and no one really needs it. I don't really know what enable query does, but I'm pretty sure you don't need it very much because I've never used it. Player idle timeout. What this does is basically each number represents a minute. So if you wanted to have a timeout, let's say 10 minutes, if the person hadn't moved or was what was it? AFKing. AFKing right here. After 10 minutes of not moving or moving the mouse at all, they would get kicked. Now difficulty. 0 means peaceful, 1 means easy, 2 means normal, and 3 means hard. So you can change the difficulty to how you want it. Monsters, basically if you want to spawn monsters or not. False means no monsters, true means monsters. OP permission level, I don't really know if that's anything you want to mess with, so just leave that alone. Resource pack / hash basically allows it so you can upload a resource pack to your server to use, like give them an option to use it or not. Announce player achievements, basically when you get an achievement such as inventory or whatever it is, the first achievement you will ever get, it will announce it to your server. So if you don't want that, you change it to false or true if you wanted it. PvP, basically if you want PvP on your server, you'd enable it true. If you don't, false. Snooper, basically that thing that you can do to your Minecraft that makes it spaz out. Where is it? Let's just go on here for an example. So if you go to here in Snooper settings, if you click that, it's like pixel stuff as some weird thing. So if you want that, you don't need it, but you can have it. If you want level type, basically default world, super flat, or amplified, or yeah, you know what I mean. Large biome, yeah. Hardcore base, you know what hardcore is. True if you want it to be hardcore survival settings, or false if you don't. Enable command blocks basically allows you to have command blocks. Let me start up this server right here. And when this gets up, I will Why can I not talk today? I don't know what it is. I will show you what command blocks are. And max players basically limits the amount of players like you want. Like let's say you had somewhat of a popular server and you had 20 people on there right now, and it was super hard on your computer. Like you couldn't play any games while 20 people were on. You could limit it to 10, so it wouldn't be so laggy. So only 10 people can join at once. And yeah, network compression threshold. Don't know what that is. It's all new to me. Max world size. This is basically the limits of your world. Like let's say you just wanted your world to be 300 blocks in all directions. So a 1,200 block radius from the spawn would be the entire block area. Now your server port basically is port forwarding rules. This is your default server port, so don't change that unless you know what you're doing. Your server IP, leave that blank. Spawn NPCs. Basically, if you want to spawn villagers, true or false. Allow flight, true or false. Basically meaning if you're not in creative and you're flying in survival, it will automatically kick you if it is false because you're flying. So if you want it false, so they'll automatically get kicked if they're not supposed to, you put that false. Unless you do /fly, of course, and with plugin commands. True if you want to allow them to fly. Level name world basically in your what is it? Right here, if you want this world name to be something cool like Chaster's World, for example, you would change the world to whatever you want. View distance, basically adjust your distance of view, kind of like render distance, but view distance. Resource pack, same kind of deal as resource pack / hash. Resource pack hash, something like that. Spawn animals, if you want cows, chickens, etc., you would put that true or false. Whitelist basically allows you, if you have whitelist, let's go here. If you have whitelist right here, you can put certain names of the people you want in these brackets in each person you have. So let's say I wanted to whitelist myself. Let's not do that for now. If I didn't, and I'll enable whitelist. Don't save. If I had whitelist enabled, which I will do right now, if I didn't have whitelist enabled, then everyone would be able to join, no matter what, if you told them about it. Generate structures, basically villages, mine shafts, or monster spawners, etc. Online mode, basically, like if you only want this server to be restricted to your computer, then you'd put that false, so like only people in your house can do it. You'd put that on false. So, and if you wanted it true to have a ton of your friends join, then you put it on true. Max build height, basically just the max build height, because as everyone knows who plays Minecraft and is an extreme gamer, the max build height for most worlds is 256. Level seed base, the seed of the world, or like in here, like let's create a new world, and right here you can put a random seed, like just that number, and it generates the world according to your number seed. Message of the day. If you look right here, down on the server, it says a Minecraft server, and it says the same thing right here. So let's change that to banana. There we go. And enable recon, I don't know what that is, so we'll just leave it like that. So I saved it, and to apply the changes, you would have to stop and restart your server. So let's do that right now. Let's see. Okay, it's up. So now, since whitelist is enabled, if I scroll down and go, come on. If I scroll down, it says banana for the message of the day. And if I double clicked on it, since whitelist is enabled and I am not in the whitelist, it didn't work. It's because I'm opt, isn't it? Disconnect. Yeah, you are not whitelisted on the server. So if you are not opt and not whitelisted, you cannot go to the server. But if I go to the whitelist Jason and I put my name right here, and or your fresh. Why is it that I can't talk today? I'm tired from school. I don't know why. Anyway, so I saved that file. So now I would have to restart the server once again. Restart the server. Once again, how are we doing on time? 17 minutes. Whew. Anyway, so I just restarted the server. So let's go back and scroll down. Here it is, banana. So now, since I am whitelisted, I can now go on the server. In theory, apparently. Let's pretend that I'm whitelisted. I'm whitelisted. Yay. Yay. I'm in a server. I'm in a server. Da 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 da. Okay. Anyways, guys, I think that's gonna wrap up our video thingy majigger tutorial server thing. Why won't you? You're getting to be irritating. I hate this thing. Okay, how about this? How about this? I will win this. I will win. No? You're not gonna. No. Okay. Anyway, zoom in time. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, etc. Do a bunch of stuff. Comment. Tell me what to do next. Bunch of stuff. Stuff. Anyways, thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you all next time.